previous astrology segment, we spoke a lot about emotional well being and intelligence, and the need to be approaching life in these times from a well balanced state. We won't have a Setswana weekly forecast this week, or perhaps we will, let's see. But for now, I just felt the need to delve deeper into this topic of emotional well being and its complementary elements. One of them being substance abuse. Substance abuse is a disease that is rooted in emotional disease. It is due to a lack of internal ease and the ability to process our feelings that we then reach for something to bypass and suppress what we are experiencing and truly needing in that moment, which is to process our feelings. We learn to shut our feelings down, whether through substances or not, and thus shut ourselves down by convincing ourselves that we should not be experiencing what we are feeling. Our feelings then become buried deep within us for many, many years to then later on emerge, having caused such strain on our endocrine system and glands that the body has become burdened with ailments such as autoimmune diseases, tumors, cancers, diabetes, hypothyroidism, and just so many diseases alike. Kupadilalelo, also known as Mphatlalatsane or Venus, has recently gone retrograde in Hutu, which is also known as the Pisces constellation. This happened on March 1st and will last up until April 12th. With this, the next 6 weeks signal as a highly opportune and optimal time for us to work with the celestial body in the deep review of matters concerning how it is we receive and express ourselves and our emotions. How we learned to process or not really process those unconscious and self-autonomous parts, and how this intelligence can be of service towards us understanding the bigger picture of our lives and life in general, and how it can be of service to us ultimately fulfilling these greater goals of our life's plan. During the Venus retrograde period, Venus will disappear from evening star Kupadilalelo and reappear as the morning star Mphatlalatsane, a period that is also known to us as the Venus rebirth phase. I composed Venus Rebirth in 2021 as a sonic dedication to the and as a song to Venus, and simultaneously a transmission from her, and key to us understanding how it is that we relate to everything that encompasses our lives, whether it be people, diet, work, environment, absolutely any kind of relationship. So much happens during the Venus retrograde season regarding relationships and how we understand the purpose and meaning of these unique vehicles, which I won't get into at this time. I just really wanted to extend encouragement to you, to us, through song, as we navigate this time of reflection and potent change. Venus Rebirth is available on our Bandcamp, www.boipelo.bandcamp.com. I invite you to purchase the song and enjoy using it to deepen your journey of understanding your emotional nature and how the space can serve as a tool that empowers you, heals you, uplifts you, and brings you back to wholeness. Visit www.boipelo.bandcamp.com to purchase Venus Rebirth today or any other day, whether it be during this Venus retrograde phase or not, because it is always, always a good time for us to heal and fine-tune our energy body. If you need further support with how to use the song and incorporating it as an emotional healing aid in your practice, then message me at songdiviner@gmail.com to schedule how we can make that happen. Will you a most beauty-filled breakthrough season of harmonious transformation with this great, great steward of our lives. Ashe.